Hello viewers, today I am discussing some important and probable questions and answers for your forthcoming exams. Today's topic is science. I think you will be benefited from this if you continue watching up to the end of this video. So, no more talks, let's start our topic. Okay? Yes, this video is designated only for the CBSE class 10 students of this year. Today's topic is science. Already I have discussed it. There are few questions which is probable for this year. I am discussing the questions as also their answers. Question number 1. It is from section A. You know it very well. There are 5 sections A, B, C, D and E. For section A, there are different types of MCQs marked as 1. Marks 1 MCQ, question number 1. This is very important question. Mild non-corrosive basic salt is what? Answer is NaHCO3. Why? As it is salt of strong base and weak acid. So it will be, your answer will be NaHCO3. Next, question number 2. Another very important one question. On adding dilute H2SO4 to a test tube containing a metal X, a colorless gas is produced when a burning matchstick is brought near it. Okay. Which of the following correctly represents metal X? Your answer will be zinc. Why? As the reaction takes place, Zn plus H2SO4 produces what? ZnSO4 plus H2. So our answer will be zinc. Okay. Number 3. Question number 3. An element with atomic number dash will form a basic oxide. Answer will be 11. In your question, actually there will be different options, but I have written only the answer. Okay. Now the answer of question number 3 will be 11. Why? As it will be a metal. So atomic number will be 11. Why? This will be like 2 plus 8 plus 1. Outermost shell, 1 electron will be existing. Already where 1 electron will be existing, that will be metal. So your answer will be 11, because there are options like 10, 11, 12 and so on. So I have taken the answer 11. Next question. Question number 4. An element M has 50% of the electrons filled in the third cell as in the second cell. The atomic number of M is, atomic number of m will be 14. Your answer will be 14. Why I am discussing it? As there are K, L and M cells, so third cell is M and second cell is L. First cell is 1. If you arrange these electrons like 2, 8, 4 according to the question, because it is written in the third cell as in the second cell, element M has 50% of the electrons filled in the third cell as in the second cell. So if third cell consisting 4 electrons, second cell must be the double of it, that means 8 electrons. On the contrary, you may call it, if second cell consists 8 electrons, third cell will be 50% of it, that means 4 electrons, and first cell it must be 2. You know it very well. So your configuration, electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 4. That means 2 plus 8 plus 4, the atomic number will be 2 plus 8 plus 4 means 14. Next comes to the question number 5. A sportsman, after a long break of his routine exercise, suffered muscular cramps during a heavy exercise session. This happened due to what? Answer will be lack of oxygen and formation of lactic acid. Why? As anaerobic respiration occurs in the cell. It is actually from the biological point of view. The question is from biology. Actually, I know the subject physics, chemistry and maths. Biology, actually it is weak for me. I am actually weak in biology. So you will get the question from me about physics, chemistry and mathematics also. There are few questions from biology. You will see it, you will observe it after the end of this video. One more thing I am requesting, do not hesitate to WhatsApp me in this number for getting your tuition, and extra request from the part of me to you is, you will watch my video after the end of this, then you will be benefited. Okay. I am going through the same question number 6 MCQ. An object is placed in front of a convex mirror. Its image is formed. Formed where? Answer will be behind the mirror, and its position varies according to the object distance. It will be the answer. Actually, there are more options. I am selecting this because this will be the proper answer for this question. Next, question number 7. When light enters the atmosphere, it strikes on extremely fine particles which deflect the rays of light in all possible directions. This is due to what? This is our question. Actually, the answer will be scattering of light. Why? As it is actually the definition of scattering of light. The total question, in the question there is the definition of scattering of light. So your answer will be scattering of light in this case. Okay. Next question is question number 8. In 1987, in 1987, an agreement was formulated by the United Nations Environment Programme, in short UNEP, to freeze the production of X to prevent depletion of Y. X and Y respectively referred to here are. What are the value of X and Y? What will be the answer for X and Y? CFCs and ozone. That means answer of X will be CFC and answer of Y will be ozone. As CFC is responsible for depletion of ozone layer. It is actually the reason. Next question, it is answer reason type question. If answer A is denoted by A, assertion is denoted by A, rusting of iron is endothermic in nature. Reason is denoted by R. As the reaction is slow, the release of heat is barely evident. Now the question is, select the option from the following. There are multiple types of answers. I am selecting this. A is false and R is true. That means when rusting of iron is endothermic in nature, the reason, as the reaction is slow, the release of heat is barely evident. It will be true. That means reason is true, but assertion is false for this case. Okay. Question number 18. It will be question number 9. Yes, viewers, I have already mistaken. This will be question number 9 because it is question number 8. So this will be question number 9 and this will be question number 10 and so on. Now I am discussing the question number 10. Selection direction is same as above. That means for question number 9. Same as question number 9. You have to tell the option which is false and which is true, whether assertion is correct or reason is correct, or assertion is false and reason is false. Here in this question, assertion a compass needle is placed near current carrying wire. The deflection of the compass needle decreases when the magnitude of the current in the wire is increased. Reason R. The strength of a magnetic field at a point near the conductor increases on increasing the current. Here actually the assertion A is true, but R is false, because when a compass needle is placed near current carrying wire, the deflection of the compass needle decreases when the magnitude of the current is in the wire is increased. It is actually 100% correct. But according to this assertion, the reason is false, because there is written the strength of magnetic field at a point near the conductor increases on increasing the current. No, it will be decreasing. So A is true but R is false. Next, I am going to the section B. Section B carries 2 marks. That means short answer type question. Question number 11. Dilute HCl is added to zinc granules. How will you prove that chemical change has taken place here? Support your response with 2 arrangements. This is our question. Answer will be, actually I have already given 3 arrangements. Last one was not necessary, but you may write A, B, C. That means 3 points. First point is bubbles of gas. Second point is change in color. Color will be silvery gray to black. Third point, you may write change in temperature. Okay. Next question, number 12. The refractive indices of 3 media are A equal to 1.6, B equal to 1.8, C equal to 1.5. A ray of light is traveling from A to B and another ray is traveling from B to C. Now the first question is, in which of the 2 cases the refracted ray bends towards the normal? And second question is, in which case does the speed of light increase in the second medium? I am discussing further. First question is, in which of the 2 cases the refracted ray bends towards the normal? Second question, in which case does the speed of light increase in the second medium? What will be the answer? We will go to the answer portion. Okay, answer 12. First part. When light travels from an optically rarer medium to an optically denser medium, it moves towards the normal. You know it very well. Since refractive index is indicated as mu for the medium B, that means mu B greater than mu A, which is already given in our question. Hence the light ray will bend towards the normal on passing from medium A to medium B. It will be your actual answer. What will be the answer of second part? The speed of light will increase when the light travels from B to C, because mu C less than mu B and velocity V equal to C by mu. The speed of light ray will increase on the second medium. Okay. V, that means speed. Speed equal to speed of light divided by refractive index. So speed of light ray will increase on the second medium. That means medium C, medium B. Okay. Now I am discussing the question of part, that means section C, short answer type question. marks carrying 3 each. Okay. Question number 13. We are advised to take iodized salt in our diet by doctors. Justify its importance in our body. Answer will be iodine is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine hormone. This question is from biology, you know it very well. Thyroxine regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in the body. Thyroxine provides best balance for the growth in the body. These 3 points you have to write. Okay. These are the importance for our body, as the doctor advised to take iodized salt. Next question number 14. First part of question number 14. Explain why the refractive index of any material with respect to, I am writing in the short form WRT, that means with respect to air, is always greater than 1. I am repeating the question further. Explain why the refractive index of any material with respect to air is always greater than 1. What will be the answer? Your answer will be the refractive index of a medium with respect to air is given by n equal to c by v. Since speed of light in the medium is always less than the speed of light in air, and c equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, hence the above ratio is always greater than 1, because c is greater. Okay, numerator is greater, so ratio must be greater than 1. Question number 14b. In the figure below, a light ray travels from air into the semicircular plastic block. The figure is given. It is a plastic block. This dotted line is normal. This angle is 40 degree. It is light ray. This diagram is already given in the question. But what will be the answer? It is actually the explain type question. The ending of this question is explain the diagram with the relation of this question. What will be the answer? The ray of light enters normally or radially at the semicircular boundary of the plastic block. We have already seen this in our figure. So the ray of light is undergoing normal incidence at the air plastic block interface. Okay, and for normal incidence there will be no diffusion. Next, question number 14c. Complete the ray diagram of the above, that means this diagram, for this diagram. Above scenario, when the light ray comes out of the plastic block from the top flat end. It is our question. We have to complete the diagram. I have already completed the diagram. This was 40° and the ray will be away from the normal. Okay, this angle will be denoted as R, refracting angle. Refracted ray bends away from the normal. This will be the full diagram for the question C. Okay. Now I am going to the section D. In this section, 5 marks each question. Each question carries 5 marks because this question is of broad type question. Question number 15. Robina, while doing certain reactions, observed that heating of substance X with vinegar like smell with substance Y, which is used as an industrial solvent. Y is used as an industrial solvent in presence of concentrated H2SO4 on a water. Both gives a sweet smelling liquid Z having molecular formula C4H8O2. When heated with caustic soda NaOH, Z gives back the sodium salt of X and Y. Now identify the X, Y and Z. Show the changes with the help of suitable impact on a person. What will be the answer? Answer of X will be ethanoic acid or acetic acid or CH3COOH. Answer for Y will be ethanol or ethyl alcohol or C2H5OH. Answer of Z will be ethyl ethanoate or ester or CH3COOC2H5. Okay. But what will be the reaction? Reaction will be like this. CH3COOH plus CH3CH2OH gives acid, giving acid. CH3 produces CH3CO, here it will be O, that means COO, CH2, CH3. And the second part will be like this, CH3COOC2H giving NaOH. No, extremely sorry, CH3COOC2H5 giving NaOH gives C2H2OH plus CH3COONA. Okay, this will be the full reaction. Next, question number 16. Have you understood the last question? I am expecting the reaction was very tough, but I have already written here. Next goes to the question number 16. A doctor has advised Poonam to reduce sugar intake in his diet and do regular exercise after checking his blood test reports. Okay. Which disease do you think Poonam is suffering from? Very good question. Name the hormone responsible for this disease and organ producing the hormone. What will be the answer for question 16? First part will be Poonam is suffering from diabetes, and second part will be insulin, pancreas. Okay. This question is from biology. Next question, number 17. It is numerical type. It is actually the numerical of physics, light chapter. It is from light chapter. A 10 centimeter long pencil is placed 5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror having a radius of curvature of 40 centimeter. Now, determine the position of the image formed by this mirror. Second question is, what is the size of the image? Third question is, draw a ray diagram to show the formation of the image as mentioned in the part A, that means first part of this question. What will be the answer? For question number A, the answer will be like this. Here u equal to minus 5 centimeter. Why? Because pencil is placed 5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. As it is concave mirror and the pencil is placed in front of the mirror, so it will be negative minus 5 centimeter. That means minus 5 centimeter. F focus will be r by 2. It is the relation in between f and r. So it will be 40 divided by 2. That means minus 20 centimeter. Minus is taken here as the mirror is concave. So it will be minus, it will also be minus. Now using mirror equation we get 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Put the value, it will be minus 1 by 20 and it will be 1 by v. V will be remaining same and put the value of u, it will be minus 1 by 5. Now I am calculating v from this relation. V is calculated and it will be 20 divided by 3, that means 6.67 centimeter. Okay. So the image is obtained at 6.6 centimeter behind the mirror. As it is concave, the image will be behind the mirror. Second part was, what is the size of the image? That means you have to calculate the magnification of the image. You know the formula, magnification M is denoted by H2 by H1 equal to minus V by U. This is the relation. Okay. So put the value again. Minus V means 20 by 3. Here it is 20 by 3 and value of U is minus 5. Minus and minus. It will be plus, so it will be, after cutting, it will be 4 by 3. So magnification is 4 by 3. Third question was, draw a ray diagram to show the formation of the image as mentioned in first part. I have drawn the image. Do you see the image? Okay, this is the image. This is principal axis, and what is written? What was written? A 10 centimeter long pencil is placed 5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. This is concave mirror. I have drawn this in front of the concave mirror. That means concave portion will be like this. Okay, the mirror is like this. So this is the front position. The pencil is placed in front of the concave mirror. So it is actually convex, concave means like this. Okay, so front position will be here. So let this is the pencil AB. Okay, now the ray is coming here, traveling at the focus, and another ray is coming here, traveling in the center of curvature. Now extend this in the backward portion, it will meet at B dash. So actual image will be A dash B dash for the pencil AB. The length of AB was 10 centimeter. Okay, this will be the diagram for this question. Next, I am going to question number 8. Show with explanation which type of lamp 4 ohm or 12 ohm has the higher power, where circuit is parallel and voltage is 12 volt. That means battery voltage is 12 volt. If battery voltage is 12 volt and circuit is parallel, in this case, you have to calculate the power for 4 ohm and 12 ohm lamp. Okay, this is our question. Now we know power P equal to V square by R. For 4 ohm lamps, P equal to V. Value of V is 12. So 12 into 12 divided by 4. This will be resulted as 36 watt. And for 12 ohm lamps, P equal to 12 into 12 divided by 12 resulted as 12 watt. So 4 ohm lamps will have higher power, which is 36. 36 is greater than 12, so 4 ohm lamps will have higher power. This is actually our answer. Okay, so these are all for today, and I am ending my class for this science class. Okay, and last of all, I am telling you that do not hesitate to WhatsApp me for getting your maths tuition or science tuition. My WhatsApp number is 7044368436. It is already given in my channel Pranay Sarer Guidance. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and last of all, request you to subscribe my channel and on your all notification button so as to get more informative videos like this, and also share others as they can be benefited. Okay, have a nice day to you. Bye bye.